All right, first little unofficial look at the box. You see it, LS trifecta, full effect. First thing I'm gonna do is take these wheels out the back. They was too little to go in the front. I mean, they'll roll in the back, but they way too small, period. I think they like a 14 or a 13-inch rim. Let me turn the light on so we can see. Let's see. Now the rim say 225, 50, 16. But maybe it's the offset of the wheel or whatever. Anyway, that ain't what's gonna end up going on there in the end. But we ain't got no need for it at all. So that's gonna be the first time we do. I got the stocks that came out to Chevelle, which was really the stocks for the box, the two-door box. So we're gonna go ahead and put them on here. Meantime, in between time, and then yeah, let me do that, and then I'll catch you back on. And then I guess we'll walk around this thing right quick.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
All right, so got that tire on. Like I said, it's just a temporary thing. From the way it's sitting, looks like the front end is straight, but it ain't got no engine in it neither, so that's probably why I shouldn't have highlight that. Now back here, just from pushing on it, that bit needs shocks at a minimum. But y'all know me, so we gonna go ahead and do shocks and springs. It's too easy. It's too easy not to, so shocks and springs on the ring. Probably do air shocks, to be honest with you. Go ahead and do air shocks. So let me get this other wheel on. And then y'all leave it down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think this wheel came off of. Cause I don't even know. It says it's a 16-inch tire. So 225, 50, 16. But that shit would not go around the front here. So like I said, let me get this other side done. And then cut you back on. Alright, so we got this other wheel on. Like I said, temporarily, I'm saying we ain't worried about bolting up yet, cause you know what's coming. You know what's coming. You know what's coming. Yes, sir. Finally got what we wanted, so we can put it on what we need, baby. Look at this Broham trifecta coming. All right, man, let me go ahead and walk y'all around the outside of this. And we can get to the business. So 1989 Chevy Broham. Hold on, let me do it again. 1989 Chevrolet Caprice Classic LS Broham. Like a pimp named Slickback. Say the whole thing. But this is what we're working with. Now, like I said, you know, our projects start from the bottom, come to the top. Y'all gonna see me put this one together just like that one, just like this one, just like this one. You know what I'm saying? DJ Khaled boy, another one. We got the header panel. Got the, I think one of the headlights was busted, but he had another one here. See what side is this? It's the left hand side. This one is the okay, that was the right hand side. So the right hand side is busted. And then we got all our rocker trim, wheel well trim, opera lights. You know, that was my thing. I wanted to have my opera lights. My biggest infatuation with this car is the opera lights. And here they are. One time for the one time. There go that side. And then the other one is down off of here. That side. So got the opera lights, got all the rocker panels and shit. Grill in there. Might end up getting new buckets to go around the lights. Also, may end up getting, well, we're gonna have to get a new light. That is the right hand side, but I'm not too much worried about it. I knew my hoarding would pay off one day. Shout out to everybody that kept flaking on me buying these lights, because now I need it. That's the left hand. I'm pretty sure I got a right hand around here somewhere. Not 100% sure, but I know it's around here somewhere. If all come to all, then I know I got a whole header panel up there with lights in it, so we good to go. So yeah, all the trim, everything like that. The only piece that I'm missing is, this one right here. So if y'all know who got it, then holla at me. Holla at me, baby. Right there. That's the only piece that's missing. All the rest of them is there, present and accounted for. Windshield trim, present and accounted for. Hood is present and accounted for. However, it's still in the truck along with the header panel. So yeah, header panel complete. And then of course, you know what I'm saying, everybody want to know, impact strip is there. Beautiful. I see the difference now. I see the difference. I feel the master. I mean, it's mostly there on this one, but yeah, a little bit difference in the grills or the bumpers. This one has this extra shit on there, whereas this one does not. I have an extra license plate thing. Glad I didn't get rid of that, because I'm gonna need that too. Unless you guys did not know, haven't followed the bills, this one is a 1984 with the Euro clip. This is a 1989, originally came with the Euro clip. So we're gonna go with them same headlights, LED headlights. I'm getting ahead of myself, but y'all know how we do, dog. Running up the cart, bitch. Running up the cart. So yeah, header panel go on there. Boom. Like I said, stock grill is there. But y'all remember this grill up here? Yeah, that one tucked. That one back off in the tuck. We still got that one. So 9 times out of 10, that's what's going on here. What else? I mean, it's just surface rust, man, nothing major. You know what I'm saying? We'll get off in there, spray it down, scrub it down, paint it up, protect it, and we good to go. Same thing with the quarter panels, you know, it's a couple of spots that got some rust that could use some attention, but I ain't worried about it. The infamous battery tray, that shit look rusted off in that bed. I think this time I'm gonna do the swap different, but like I said, we ain't finna get off all into that. Stay tuned, subscribe, etc., etc. I'll tell y'all the plans on how we plan to do this one. But yeah, overall, like I said, everything's there. You know what I'm saying? Everything is there. So, you know, body is straight. See, I did like a whole research thing. I'll do that. I'll put it out in a new video, a different video. But so yeah, this just gonna be physical condition. Another video will drop, history of the car, etc., whatever. So yeah, LS Broham, 1989. 1989 and 1990 was the only 2 years that the V8 was fuel injected. As early as 1985 or 86, it did have a 6-banger that was fuel injected. So just a little food for thought, a little knowledge to add to your knowledge bank. But yeah, like I said, worst thing is surface rust. We do got the bumper filler. I'm saying bumper filler on deck. So that pretty much is gonna complete the front end of the car. Like I said, coming down, everything is here. Only thing we're missing is that piece right there behind the passenger side. Behind the passenger side wheel, in front of the passenger side door. That little rocker panel piece there. We got the upper lights. The original color, this is something that I researched. The original color of this car was dark blue sapphire. You can see the true color there behind where the upper light was. You can also see it pretty well right here in the door jamb. So I think we're gonna name her. I think it's only right that we name her Sapphire. I think it's only right we name her Sapphire. Also, like I said, inside gonna be a different video, but like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good shit. Y'all know the drill. What else? But yeah, I mean, the body's in real good condition, man. No major signs of damage. I mean, the body's straight. Like I said, it's just surface rust in some places, which will have to be addressed. But that's nothing. Y'all know that ain't nothing. See, I think those were some window trims that was in there. These were some lug nuts that I bought to put them wheels on, and as always, you know, it's a box Chevy world, baby. It's not a fad, but a way of life. As far as the tail end, everything is there. Chevrolet emblem there. Caprice Classic there. We'll get the little flippy emblem or whatever for the trunk. Matter of fact, I think I got a second one. A little piece of the impact strip missing right there. Yeah, moving around. Everything good. And like I said, just little spots where some stuff gotta get addressed, man. Nothing major. The top, I don't know if this is original. If it is, it's in pretty damn good condition. I don't know what I'm gonna use to try to clean it up, but it ain't really tattered. I mean, it's a couple spots like right there, a little bit right there. See a little bit of the seam busting right there, but I mean, shit, for this to be 1989, this ain't bad at all, brother. Not bad at all. Just jack out the way here. Yeah, body straight, body straight. Let me hit some more lights for you. I'm like, LS, we can't see. Let there be light. So as you can see on this side, nothing major, nothing major. Little surface rust, nothing major. Little surface rust around the door. Once again, nothing major. Like I ain't got no worries. Got some surface rust up here on the hood. No worries. Like, I legitimately have no worries about this car, bro. Like, here we come, bro. Here we come. It ain't nothing near, because the two-door had pinholes in it. It was like all the way through and all that. So, like I said, to have something that's solid, I'm not even tripping at all. So, that's gonna about do it. You know, eventually I'll probably just get in here and clean up the windows and, you know what I'm saying, act like it's gonna pull out or something when we got a little ways to go. But y'all know how we do. Alright, so man, tune in next time. We're gonna go on the inside, show the interior of the box, and see what the condition of that is. So, like I said, I ain't wanna run it all together in the same video, because somebody gonna be like, oh, you didn't show these. I'm like, nah, bro, I did. You just ain't watch the whole video. So we're gonna break this shit down baby steps for you. Break it down. Alright, as always, it's your boy LSHerrod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, and I can't even compose myself, y'all. Woo! If y'all can see the joy on my face right now. Anyway, identify your weaknesses. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Go on.